Hello, welcome to the class of PHP programming language. So today we are going to discuss about the constructors and destructors in PHP program. So let's start with the definition of constructor. So here the constructors are the special class function which performs initialization of every object, and the compilers calls the constructor whenever an object is created, and these constructors initialize value to object members after storage is allocated to object. And here the name of constructor will be same as the name of class, and the constructor will never have a return type. And same way the another part is destructor, and destructor is also a special class function which destroys the object as soon as the scope of object ends. So here you can see that the constructors are used to initialize the every object functions, and whereas the destructors are used to destroy these objects as soon as the function of these objects are end, then these objects are destructed from the program, and it releases all the resources within a destructor. So in program, let's see how we have defined the constructor. So here in this program I have defined the constructor. We have discussed about this program in earlier class. Here we have created a class named course, and here I am giving the two variables, that is member variable, price and name. And after coming to the member function, as we have in earlier class, we have defined the function set price and set name. Instead of that, here we are using the construct. So construct are defined by function keyword, then we have to write the underscore construct. So this is the way to define the constructor, and in this close bracket I am passing the argument. So these argument are for price 1 and price 2, and in curly brackets I am defining that this operator name equals to pair 1 and this price equals to pair 2. So as in earlier lecture we are discussing that we are using two functions, that is function set price and function set name, to define the price and name of the course. But here we are using only one function, that is underscore construct, and it is constructing the two parameters, that is the price and name of the course. And these two functions, that is get price and get name, their functions are similar. Here we are using this to get the price of the course, and here we are using this to get the name of the course. After that I am creating here these objects. After creating this object, and in the with the objects I am defining their course names and prices. So here I am using object name equals to new and the class name, and in curly and this close bracket here I am defining the name of the course and as well as their price. So after the calling member function, so calling member function is done by like this. So Java get name, Java get price. So these are the object names we are using to get the name and their price. Same way here I am using PHP object name to get their name and price. Okay, so here we are here you can see that the coding length reduced with using this construct function, whereas in earlier class we are discussing this same program where you can see that we have defined a lot of coding to call the member function, but here we are reducing the coding for calling the member function, where we have defined this construct function. So this construct function is used to construct the functions together. So here it's defining the two parameters, that is for the name and the price, and here we are defining the name of the course and price with this object name. So in this way we can define the constructor in PHP. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here defining Java beginner to advanced 700, preprocessor hypertext 600, and web development language 850. So these are the prices and the name of the course which we are mentioned here by calling this member function. So another we are going to discuss about the destructor. So here the destructors are used to destroy the object. So here I am creating the class name as destructions, and in curly brackets I am defining the function construct, and after that I am defining the function destruct, because the function destruct will work with this function construct. So before defining this destruct function, we have to define the construct function with it. So in function construct, I am printing a character that giving my name is John, and after that I am using this special variable that is equal to name equals to destruction. And here next in destruct I am defining to print the destroying, and we have to destroy this particular variable from here. And after that I am creating the object obj equals to new and the class name and this close brackets. So let's see how it will display it in the browser. For that you have to go to run project. So here you can see that first of all it construct this my name is John, and after that it destruct this particular variable that is destroying, and it is not mentioning the name of this variable that is destruction here, because here in destruction it is destroying this object. So in this way its destructor function is used to destroy the object in PHP language. So this is all about constructor and destructor in PHP language. Thank you.